Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I'm Cassie, what's up, and welcome to my channel. So if you guys did not know, I am a cruelty-free beauty YouTuber, so I film videos, tutorials, reviews, all of that. So today you guys know that this is going to be a Valentine's Day look. It's going to be in collaboration with my friend Maggie. I'll leave her info right here on the screen. So today we're just going to start out with primer. We're going to be using the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying Pore Minimizing Primer with Black Clay. So I love this primer. It's very, very nice and it's very affordable. Essence is a very affordable brand that is not hyped up like they should be. So we're just putting this all over the face. And my friend Krista is in the room with me, so if you hear any weird noises or any weird talking, that would be her. She's over there just doing her. So now we're going to go in with the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm using the shade Vanilla. I have two shades that I like, but on camera I use the shade Vanilla. This foundation really lasts all day and I love it. So we're just going to be applying this all over the face. And this sponge right here that is a little bit messed up right now, this is from Essence as well. It's like $4, really good. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. This is in the shade Fair. I love this concealer. I love the foundation. They work so well together. So I'm just going to place it under the eyes and pretty much everywhere where I put concealer at. So I'm now going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Translucent Powder. I'm going to be putting that under the eyes on the smile line area, chin, and forehead. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the eyelids and place it over the eyelids. So I just did my brows off camera. I used the GlamLite brow cream in medium brown here. I love this for my brows. It's super easy to use. Now I'm going to go in with the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. This is in the color Tropic Hues. I'm just going to put it on my cheeks with the e.l.f. 103 brush. I love this for blush. Now for the next step, we're going to go in with the Laura Geller Beach Matte Baked Hydrating Bronzer in Siesta Medium. Yes, that is my dogs in the background making weird noises. I'm taking the Morphe M530 brush. We're going to go in, we're going to bronze and contour the cheeks, and then I'm going to put it a little bit on the forehead. Now I'm going to just take my sponge and kind of carve out where the cheek area is, just to get a little bit more of a sharp line. Okay, so I'm going to go into my latest favorite highlighting palette. This is the Pixi RachhLoves palette. So it has so many beautiful colors in it, but my top favorite one is this one right here. And this one is Clutch. So we're going to pick this up. I'm going to put it all over the cheeks, nose, everywhere, all over the face. Next up, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray, and we're just going to spray it all over the face. So now we're moving on to eyeshadow. Today we're going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette. I felt like this would be a good palette to use. It's very red and bold. I haven't used it that much, but I do really like it. So we're just going to go into the Dalton Transition Transformer brush, and we're going to go into the color Prick, which is that, of course, very bright red color. And I'm taking this color very bold into the crease. I'm just packing it in pretty heavily, not blending it too far up yet, but just kind of packing it into the crease and kind of flicking it out this way. I'm standing on the edge. Alright, so now we're going to go into the Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush. We're going to go into the color Cherry Soda, which is this deeper red color. And I'm just basically placing it into the crease. I am having it a little bit lower though, so it's not going to go as high up, but we are doing basically the same thing, really packing this color in. that first brush in that first same color. I'm going to use it to kind of blend it a little bit more at the top. And then I'm going to go back into that second color and second brush and just kind of deepen up the red a little bit more.
We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start.
So off camera, I just went ahead and cut my crease. I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Pale. Just placed it all over the lid, cut my crease, and then I went ahead and set it with the color Glucose, which is this very beautiful white shade in the palette. I'm now going to go in with the GlamLite Calligraphy eyeliner pen, and we're going to draw winged liner.
Reaching for the stars, traveling so far.
Alright, so off camera I just went and used the Candice glitter eyeliner. I placed it on top of that black eyeliner because it was very messed up. So I used it to kind of fix it and just place it right over top. I'm now going to take that smaller brush and that second red we used, and I'm just going to blend it right here under the eyes. I'm going to take this pencil brush, this is the Crown C513 brush. We're going to go into the highlighter that we used earlier. I'm going to place this on the inner corner pretty boldly, and then I'm going to place it a little bit on the brow bone.
Of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than...
Okay, so I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics Glitter Glue Primer, and I'm going to go in with the Midas Cosmetics Glitter in Pot of Gold, very sparkly glitter. And I'm taking a pointed brush, and I'm just going to place this right here in the inner corner area. That's picking up a little bit of that glitter to kind of just put it right there in the inner corner. Now I'm going to be taking the Buxom Extrovert Mascara. We're going to put it on the top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now for the last step, we're going to go in with the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Kiss of Fire and just put it on the lips.
But what counts is our brand new start.
Alright, so that is everything for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed how this looked. I think it looks really, really good. I am very happy with how it turned out. Make sure to check out my friend Maggie's video. Hers is on her channel right now, and I will see you guys in my next video.